Hey guys, it's Evan here, and I didn't even call all of it, but you see, I'm trying to build a rocket ship. Right now, I'm trying to get the turns and things in right now. You know what I mean? It's a little wonky. Like right here, do it. That works. Now we need a connection gun, so we get our remotes here. Not that remote. So you have wood here for wood right, wood right, wood left. No, it's wrong. Okay, wood right, right, gold for left. That. And then red for brush, as in like, both of them need to go forward. So you and you. You go right here with the up button. I need you need that, not that. Right there, no. Sure, Leah. Got loading on? Now, slow test drive. Get in the chair here. Okay, we're going up. We're moving forward. Okay, we're moving forward, guys. Oh shoot, my thing's sticking out. Not that. Okay, we're moving. Oh, we're spinning a lot though, guys. Shoot. Not that. Okay, stop that. Okay. We're spinning quite a lot. So you can see, we're kind of moving forward. Yeah, I'm moving forward, kind of. So you got this thing working, guys. We need to build a helicopter. Yeah, you wanna get down? Oh, I just broke the game. I broke the game. Let me down. Oh god, oh, it's, oh my, oh my, whoa, my, oh wow. Hold up, let me stay myself. That hurt my head. My hands are stuck. Still on. Oh, through. It's really careful. If we don't turn it off, it might just go flying away. There you go. There. Okay. Yeah, that is test 1 on building a helicopter. It's a little wonky, you saw. So I'm gonna do a little tweaks to it. And yeah, that's today's short. I'll see you later. Bye. Oh, hold on. The editing goes up there actually. Bye.